So in this classic ninja problem, you know, all those ninja problems, you're a ninja in the top floor of a large building. You see bad guys trying to get away out the gate, and you need to cut them off. Luckily, there's a crane on top of the building that's holding up a big 2-ton car that sits over the gate. Now, you can see that the car is 200 meters above the ground. You also know that you are out the window are 240 meters off the ground, and above you, just 10 meters above you, is the rope that holds the car up. Your Ninja Star, you can luckily throw straight up at 80 miles per hour. You are on Earth, even though this seems semi-ridiculous. You're on Earth, and you're going to need to figure things out about how to solve this problem.